Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Tweak Library. Do you really know about all the secret features available on Android devices? We have discovered a few hidden features as well as tips and tricks that you might be unaware of. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. How to hide photo or video in File Manager. Go to My Files on your Android device. Open Downloads. Here in Downloads, long press on a file you want to hide. Then tap on three dots located at the top right corner. Select Rename. Rename your file and hit Change. After changing the name of your file, you won't be able to open it. If you want to open this file, you will have to rename the file again. Change the file name to the original one and hit Save. Quick Cursor. Go to the Play Store and search for Quick Cursor app. Download the app. Once downloaded, open the app. Set the app and tap on Allow to give the permission to the app. In Accessibility, tap on Quick Cursor and turn the toggle on. Then tap on right-click icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Now turn the toggle on for Start App. Then tap on How to Use. Now swipe from the left or right margin from the bottom half of the screen. Reach the top half of the screen by dragging the tracker using one hand in the bottom half. Touch the tracker to click with the cursor. This helps you to use your phone's big screen easily. So these are some of the best tricks we found the most useful. Do you know some more tips? If yes, don't forget to share with us in the comments. Also, if you found this video helpful, like and share this video.